Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by Coin Learnity. And as usual, we are going to be looking at the dollar index. And looking at the dollar index on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we've broken this bullish structure right here. So if you look at this structure, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we have this move breaking the previous higher low. So now we are actually bearish in this market. Now, if you are bearish, what are we looking at? So if you look closely to the price points here, that is this price range, we have an order block right here, multiple candle order block, right? So what I'm looking forward to for the coming week is for price to do a retracement. That is for price to make a retracement to this order block right here before moving below. So what I'm actually looking for is something like this. So price is going to retrace to this price range before going down. Now, if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, let's see how that's going to look like. So you guys can see on the 4-hour time frame. Let me delete this this drawing too. The 4-hour time frame will go structure to the bullish side, which means that we are now starting the daily retracement. So the retracement I was talking about on the daily time frame, that is what you're going to be seeing happening here next week. So you can actually take advantage of this retracement move by trading it. You can look for this pattern. So when something like this forms, you look for fair value gap, order block, or whatever point of interest you use to frame what a bullish trade. But bear in mind that if you're taking this bullish trade, you're trading a retracement because you're going against the daily time frame, which you can you need to be careful. So if you're doing this, you should be careful. Then, but for me, what I'm going to be waiting for is for something like this to happen. So I'm waiting for um the the daily time frame to take effect. That is the daily trend to take effect. So if once I get something like this, where I'll have a break of structure to the bearish side, then I'll start taking what bearish setups, right? So that is how I'm going to play it for the coming week. Now, if this is my setup, where are my targets? So the first target is going to be this low. Then probably the second target is going to be this low nearby. So with that in mind, if you transition to Euro USD, we are going to see the opposite of this analysis on the Euro USD. So as you can see here, the Euro USD was also bearish before, and now it's bullish. So dollar index is bearish, Euro USD is bullish, which is what we want to see. That correlation is what we want to see. So as you can see here, we are creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and we had a shift of market structure here. So now what are we looking at? The same thing we just saw on the dollar index. We have a multiple candle order block here. Let me mark that out. So usually what I'm going to be waiting for is for price to retrace into the order block here, which is actually doing now, before pushing upwards. So if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, let's see more information about that. So as you can see already, the 4-hour time frame has given a sign that that retracement has already started. So we are creating lower lows and lower highs. We are already on a bearish trend on a 4-hour time frame. So like I said, you can also take advantage of this bearish trend, just like the dollar index, where you take advantage of the bullish retracement. For over here on the Euro USD, you can take advantage of the bearish retracement. So if it starts creating movement like this, you can look for point of interest, order blocks, fair value gaps, or whatever point of interest you use towards take these sell trades. But for me, I'm going to wait for the market to do something like this, where it will shift or break structure, then I'll start taking the bullish trades to the upside. Now, if I'm bullish on this currency pair, where are my targets? As usual, the first target is going to be this old high here. Then the closest to it is this other one here. So these are my targets for this trade. Remember, guys, always practice good risk management on your accounts. That will be all for this video. I will see you all in the next video.